Now today we're going to be making a simple chocolate cake in 1 hour. Now set the oven to 175 degrees, add your premix in a bowl, add 85 grams of water, 90 grams of milk, 30 grams of olive oil, and 1 egg. Now mix it really well together and have your cake mold ready, and let's bake it for 35 minutes. Now for the chocolate ganache, boil 200 grams of cream, add it to 200 grams of dark chocolate. Mix it really well together, take your cake out, cool it down, and let's cut it in half. Now let's spread the ganache over on the first layer evenly. Take the second layer and spread it over evenly. We're going to take 200 ml of cream and whip it up. Add some ganache into it and whip it up evenly again until you get soft peaks. Now spread a layer over the cake and then get some grated chocolate ready to garnish your cake. Decorate it with mini pearls, and there you have it. It's a cake for 10. Enjoy!